Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Webull for commission-free stock learning income easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Webull, first, download the Webull app from your app store or visit the Webull website. Open the app or the website once the download is complete. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. After entering your details, agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. You will receive a verification email. Check your inbox and click the verification link. Once your email is verified, return to the app or website to log in. Next, complete your profile by providing personal information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. Webull will also ask for employment and financial information to comply with regulations. Select the account type you wish to open. For commission-free trading, choose a brokerage account. After selecting the account type, you may need to link a bank account for funding. Follow the instructions to link your bank securely. Once your bank account is linked, deposit funds into your Webull account. You can start with a small amount to begin your trading experience. After funding your account, familiarize yourself with the Webull interface. Explore the different features, including stock charts, watch lists, and news feeds. Take advantage of the educational resources available within the app. Webull offers tutorials, webinars, and articles to enhance your learning. To practice trading without financial risk, use the paper trading feature. Set up your paper trading account by following the prompts in the app. Now, start exploring different stocks and trading strategies. When comfortable, move on to live trading using your funded account. Keep track of your investments and review your performance regularly. Consider joining online communities for additional tips and peer support. Stay updated on market trends and news to make informed trading decisions. Continuously learn from your experiences and refine your trading strategies for better results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.